Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's writing emails, analyzing data, generating images, helping doctors, supporting engineers, automating business processes, and changing the way millions of people work. But here's the question almost nobody asks. What actually makes an AI project successful? Is it having the most powerful model? The biggest data center? Newest AI tool? The smartest algorithm? Not necessarily. And still fail completely in the real world. A company can spend millions building an AI product,
only to discover that customers don't need it. A model can achieve incredible benchmark results, but give unreliable users depend on it. And an organization can automate thousands of tasks,
only to create new problems that cost even more money. So what are the real criteria for success in artificial intelligence? In this documentary, we'll explore 7 principles that separate AI experiments from AI systems that create lasting value. Because the future of AI won't be determined only by who builds the smartest machines. It will be determined by who knows how to make those machines useful, reliable, measurable, and responsible. The first criterion is simple: solve a real problem. It sounds obvious, but it's one of the biggest reasons AI projects fail. Imagine a company announces, "We're going to build an AI assistant." Everyone gets excited. Millions are invested. Engineers build the system. The interface looks incredible.
AI responds instantly. But 6 months later, nobody uses it. Why? Because the company started with the technology instead of the problem.
Successful AI projects begin differently. They ask, what is taking employees too long? Where are customers frustrated? Which decisions require too much manual analysis? What process repeatedly costs the company money? Where could AI improve quality, speed, or accessibility? Consider a fictional American logistics company. Its customer service team receives thousands of delivery questions every day. Instead of building an AI system simply because AI is popular, the company identifies a specific problem.
Customers want immediate answers about shipment status. An AI system connected to verified shipping information can answer simple questions instantly. Employees can focus on complicated cases. Now AI has a purpose. It isn't technology for technology's sake. It's solving a measurable problem.
And that leads to the first rule. If you cannot clearly explain the problem an AI system is solving, you probably aren't ready to build the system.
The second criterion is data. AI systems depend heavily on information. And bad information can create bad results. Imagine training an
AI system to predict customer demand. The historical data contains missing records, incorrect labels, duplicate information, outdated behavior. Suddenly, the AI may produce impressive-looking predictions that are fundamentally wrong. This is why successful AI teams spend enormous amounts of effort on data quality. They ask, where did the data come from? Is it accurate? Is it current? Is it representative? Can it legally and ethically be used? And perhaps most importantly, can we trust it? Data quality becomes even more important when AI is used in high-impact areas: healthcare, finance, hiring, insurance, government services. Small data problem can become a very large, real-world problem. The lesson is simple. Better AI doesn't always begin with a bigger model.
Sometimes. It begins with better data. The third criterion is measurement. An AI system should never be judged simply because it looks smart. It needs measurable goals. Suppose a company builds an AI customer support system. How do we know if it works? We could measure response time, resolution rate,
Customer satisfaction, escalation rate, accuracy, cost per interaction, human workload. Now the company has something important. Baseline. Before AI, average response time 2 hours. After AI, employees handled 1,000 routine requests every day. After AI, they handle 400 routine requests while focusing on complex cases. Now AI's value can be evaluated because AI can sometimes
improve one metric while damaging another. A system might answer faster, but become less accurate. It might reduce costs, but frustrate customers. It might generate more content, but reduce quality. Real AI success requires looking at the whole system, not one impressive number. The fourth criterion is reliability. AI systems can produce impressive answers, incorrect answers, sometimes only seconds apart. That's why evaluation is essential.
Before deploying an AI system widely, teams need to test it. again, and again, and again. They create evaluation datasets. They test difficult situations. They test unusual inputs. They test edge cases. They measure errors, and they monitor performance after deployment. Imagine an AI assistant used by a financial company.
A simple question might produce the correct answer. But what happens when a customer asks something unusual? What happens when information is incomplete? What happens when the model doesn't know? A successful system needs mechanisms that recognize uncertainty. Sometimes the best AI response isn't an answer. I don't have enough reliable
Information to answer that. That may sound less impressive, but it can be much more valuable. Because reliability creates trust.
Trust determines whether people will actually use AI. The fifth criterion is human oversight. AI is powerful, but power without accountability creates risk.
In many industries, the best AI systems don't completely remove humans from the process. They create collaboration. Consider healthcare.
An AI system might identify patterns in medical images. A physician reviews the information. The doctor considers the patient's history. Then the professional makes the final decision.
Or consider cybersecurity. AI may identify suspicious network behavior. A security analyst investigates. The analyst decides whether the threat is real. Human judgment remains part of the system. This creates an important principle. Automation should not automatically mean elimination of human responsibility. In high-risk situations, humans need visibility into what AI is doing. They need the ability to review decisions. And when necessary, they need the ability to stop or override the system. The strongest AI necessarily the ones with the least human involvement.
They're the ones with the right balance between automation and human judgment. The sixth criterion is perhaps the one businesses care about most. Does AI create
Real economic value? AI can be fascinating, but fascination isn't a business model. A company needs to understand, how much does the system cost? How much time does it save? Does it increase revenue? Does it improve customer retention? Does it reduce errors? Does it improve productivity? Does it create a new product? Does it give the company a competitive advantage? Imagine an organization spends $500,000 building an AI system. The technology works perfectly, but it saves the company only $50,000 a year. The project may be a success. Financially, it may not be. Now imagine another AI system costs $100,000, but saves $1 million every year. That's a very different story. This is why successful organizations connect AI performance to business outcomes. The question isn't, how advanced is our AI? The better question is, what valuable outcome does our AI create?
Seventh criterion is adaptability, and this may become the most important one of all. AI technology changes incredibly fast. A tool that dominates the market today could be replaced tomorrow.
Could become ordinary within months. A company that builds its entire strategy around one AI platform could eventually become dependent on technology it doesn't control.
Successful organizations prepare for change. They build flexible systems. They train employees to learn new tools. They avoid unnecessary dependence on a single platform.
They focus on fundamental capabilities: data, security, evaluation, workflow design, problem solving, human expertise. Because tools change, principles remain. The organizations that survive the AI revolution won't necessarily be the ones that predict every technological development. They'll be the ones capable of adapting when predictions are wrong.
What does successful artificial intelligence actually look like? It uses trustworthy data. It has measurable goals. It is rigorously evaluated. It includes appropriate human oversight. It creates economic or social value, and it can adapt as technology changes. Put those 7 criteria together, and something interesting happens.
AI stops being a magic trick. It becomes infrastructure, a reliable system that helps people accomplish something valuable. That's the real transition happening right now.
This is an original, fictional, educational story created for entertainment and learning purposes. It does not provide financial, employment, investment, or career advice.